Welcome to our E-Trade tutorial, where we'll guide you through everything you need to know about setting up your trading account. E-Trade offers various account types to meet your investment needs. Let's explore them. To qualify for an E-Trade account, here are the eligibility requirements you need to know. Let's gather the necessary documents, including your ID, social security number, and financial information. Now, we'll walk you through the step-by-step registration process to create your E-Trade account online. Funding your account is easy. Let's explore the methods available to deposit money into E-Trade. Next, we'll discuss how to customize your trading preferences and notifications in your account settings. E-Trade provides various resources and tools for traders. Let's take a quick look at what's available. Your security is a priority. Here's how E-Trade ensures your information is safe while you trade. In conclusion, setting up your E-Trade account can be straightforward. Keep these tips in mind to maximize your experience.